big round of applause for Aaron Griffin.
The most inspiring creative conference in the world.
I tried to push myself to get out of my comfort zone, which as an introvert is frankly in my office.
You have to be hungry and curious, and this is a place where you can come and sustain that curiosity.
New Orleans is a fantastic place to host Collision.
Well, you come to a place like New Orleans, Louisiana, we're in the middle of America right now.
You have so many different, simultaneous, smaller conferences happening together.
And when I sit on a stage here and look out, I see this incredibly diverse audience of people that I love to connect with.
Please welcome the one and only Wyclef Jean. Make some noise, Collision! There we go.
We actually are doing something that is being recognized and is making an impact.
I never saw content at scale like this before. I don't think any of us did.
New Orleans is a city that knows how to do conventions, knows how to do entertainment.
When you come out here, you need a goddamn break. Music, drink, then get back to work.